30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Straight side.
Come on, pull round, pull it round, pull it round, pull it round. Yes. Now go, boys, now go. Let's see it. Right, you've got to go, boy! You've really got to go! Really punch it now! Let's go, Keys! Heads up, boys! Heads up! Right, let's go now! They've got another on! Now we're moving, Keith! Now we're moving! Go, go, go! This is it, boys! Now! Yeah, Keith! Let's go! This is it, boys! Reel them in, boys! Reel them in!
One stroke at a time.
Right, sit up, head high! Head high and drive! Head high and drive! Right, guys, reset and go, go, go! Half a leg! Come on, guys, let's go! You've got the good line here! Great coxing! Take out half a leg! Take them now! Straight line, keep going! Lock in and go! Heads high! Go, go, go! Hold those finishers! Hold your finishers! Hold on to the water! Don't wash out! Massive corner coming! Massive! Yes, Keys! Yes, Keys! Yeah, Keys, great line! Closing into canvas! We're closing in on canvas now! Right into the wind! Come on, it's half a length! It's half a length! We're gonna get them! Come on! Dig deep now! How much do you want it? This row gets the blades, guys! This row gets your blades!
Sorry, mate.
Go on, boys, it's not over yet! Let's go! You can make this up now! Technique! Heads up! Heads up! Come on, keep your heads up! Keep your heads up! We can still do this, guys! We can still do it! They're gonna run out, they're gonna run out of power! All the way, boys, all the way!
Give it to me!
Right, you're moving again, Keys! You're definitely moving! You're getting closer! Come on! They're dying! They're dying and you can get them! Come on! We're moving, Keys! Yes, boy! The biggest 2 minutes you've ever done! 2 minutes! 2 minutes, let's go!
Let's go!
Go, go, go! the back. That's it. Well done, boys. Well done, boys. You worked hard. You worked hard.
Well done, boys. 3 cheers for them.
Right! Right! Right!
Well done, boys.